to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to do a really simple dessert, fudgesicles. Now, how in the world are we going to do fudgesicles without milk, without added sugar, without any of the processed junk? It's actually really simple, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. All right, this is actually pretty simple. We're going to start with 4 ripe bananas, 2 cups of raw cashews. These have soaked overnight just to make them a little softer so that they will blend up easier. 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now be patient with this one. It takes some time to blend. So all you're really going to do is blend this until it's smooth, really smooth, because the cashews can be a little gritty, so you want to make sure that they're really blended well. All right, just to get some little added fluids in there, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of plant-based milk. This is going to help it blend up so much smoother, so much easier. You probably can't see well enough through this video here, but it looks pretty gritty to me still. So I'm going to blend it until it doesn't look gritty anymore. That's looking better, looking a lot better actually. I'm going to give this 1 or 2 more tries. This will probably actually get warm as you're making it, and that's from the heat of the mixer, but that also helps to break down the cashews so it blends better. So that's actually okay, and we're going to freeze it anyway, so it's all right. That looks perfect. All right, so I have some popsicle molds. These are silicone-based popsicle molds, so they're soft and they'll make it really easy for the popsicles to come out once they freeze. I will put a link below. If you need one, you can get one. And the beauty in doing this in the blender, you can just pour it right in. Now we can taste test it too. All right. My mold came with these little reusable sticks. Just pop those in there. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.